Here, in the heart of nature, we embark on a journey of growth and sustainability. We start by cleaning the ground and preparing the soil, setting the foundation for a fruitful season. Our dedicated farmers get ready and enter the fields, united by a common goal to nurture the seeds of tomorrow. Each seed holds the promise of a bountiful harvest, representing hope and renewal. We apply sustainable practices, such as spraying and fungicide application, ensuring our crops thrive for the future. Witness the small plants emerging from the soil, a testament to the care and attention given by our hardworking team. At Agalawatta Farms, we preserve beauty and support life, fostering a diverse ecosystem. Observe the stingless bees drinking nectar from flowers, playing a crucial role in pollination and enhancing our harvest. Agalawatta Farms, planting the future. Follow us for more updates and join us on this journey of sustainable farming.